Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Art Word Lounge with me, Amanya. Happy that you're here today. Thank you for stopping by. And today we're going to be talking about pecan pie. So, I never ever had pecan pie in my whole life until I would say it was like the first week of November, last this past November, 2022. I was given a piece of pie by somebody, and I said, "Oh my God, wow, this thing is awesome! I never had this." And I tell you no lie, on my way home from that event, I went and I bought myself a pie, and they had them freshly made at that time because we were headed in towards Thanksgiving. So between the first week of November and Thanksgiving, I picked up a pie a week. And then at Thanksgiving dinner, I had a pie, a whole pie of pecan pie for myself. And then Christmas. And and now I can't find them. Well, I can find them frozen. And I says, "You know what? I'm going to have to learn how to make this thing because I now have an addiction to pecan pie. And so I had to learn how to make it. So this video is my first attempt at pecan pie. So sit back, relax, and watch it and see how I do. All right. So thanks again, and I'll see you in there.